If you run a trash can cleaning service, watch this video to learn how to overcome barriers that stop your business from going to the next level. Their trucks and methods limit them to local routes, in which finding paying customers is hard, and they are unable to extend their service outside that area because it would not be profitable. But what if you could increase your existing customer satisfaction and turn every job inquiry into a fresh revenue source? Imagine turning out-of-service area callers into paying customers without doing the work. Now, how cool is that? And that's exactly what BagEZ offers. It's an innovative waste management system that helps trash cans stay clean longer or be used as a trash bag holder at home, for yard work, or when camping. It's a light, compact, durable tool that's easy to ship nationwide. And this opens new sales channels beyond your regular service area and increase revenue. For more info, visit bagez.com or call us. We're always available to answer questions and help you grow.